This video is all about the placement report of 2018-2020 batch. I'm talking about Sidnum, why this placement report is so important, and I am going to compare the same placement data with the data of 2017-2019 batch. Definitely there is progress, and why this institute is so important. Okay, so do watch this video till the end for all the answers. Now talking about the placement report, just take a look at the stats. Okay, so this is the placement report. One more thing, very few colleges have the guts to publish placement report. I'm talking about the colleges through MBA CET exam. You know, JBIMS will publish in the form of PDF. Sidnum started I think 2 or 3 years back. I have this habit of checking placement reports and finding the placement PDF. Then IS does that, and very few as of now who will publish placement report in the form of PDF. Okay, that is very good initiative. Let me proceed. So this is something about the institute and the director, and these are the key highlights. Okay, motivation. The fees of this institute is 1.4 lakh, round it up to 1.5 lakh. Still the placement report is stunning. Average package of 12.20 lakh per annum. I'm talking about average package, that is 12.20 lakh per annum. I'm a fan of median salary or median package. Look at the numbers. It is 11.74. This figure is a great motivating factor. Highest, definitely it still remains the same. It was the same last year, that is 20 lakhs per annum. Number of new recruiters 26. This factor is very important. Whenever you check any placement report, please check the number of new recruiters. Average salary for the top 50%, top 25% is also given. Okay, and if I talk about the specialization breakdown, marketing 37%, finance 53%, operations 7%, human resource 3%. Okay, most of the students opted for finance. Education background is given, work ex is given, freshers 47% of the total batch is freshers. So that is how it goes. So guys, this was the placement report of 2018-2020 batch. Okay, the batch which was placed recently. Now if I talk about sector wise breakdown, it is given. Okay, different sectors and the prominent recruiters, the data is given. What about 2017-2019 batch? Okay, I have the figures, so this will clear the complete idea. The link of this article is given in the description box. You can go ahead, check it out and share it with your friends. All the data is compiled in a single article: admission, courses available, their placements, cutoff, etc. Okay, so scroll down, and you guys have shared this article more than 300 times. That's phenomenal. Okay, now talking about the last year data, last batch data, 2017-2019. Look at the data. Average package was 10.92 lakh per annum. Median was again above 10.50, and highest it remains the same. I think it must be the same company which is recruiting for the highest salary. So average package has increased. That is the stunning thing. I'm amazed. The median package, I am fan of median package, as I've already mentioned. Guys, understand one thing, the fees of this institute is rupees 1,40,000 on paper. Round it up, it will be 1,50,000. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? You have to just get inside. These are the stunning figures. Sidnum is one of the oldest institute. This gives you motivation to prepare for MBA entrance exams, to target major colleges. There are so many colleges that have figures like this. FMS, you have UBS Chandigarh, Pumba, Sidnum is one of them. Then the Delhi University colleges, you have SRCC GBO, and talking about one more college, TIS. How can I forget TIS? JBIMS, 6 lakh fee, and the average package is still 20 lakh per annum. There are so many colleges which have very less investment and the returns are amazing. Okay, you need not get into the bank loans and pay the EMI of the total fees for years and years. So guys, that's it in this video. I hope I have imparted some motivation to you to target this particular institute, and the cutoff is given over here. This is a reference cutoff, and also my review on Sidnum, the same thing which I have discussed in video. The seat distribution is given for MMS as well as PGDBA program. The admission happens through cap rounds. Okay, for more details you can visit this article, read it, share it, and definitely share it because it will also help me in SEO. So guys, I hope this video helps, and if you want information on MBA entrance exam, MBA specializations, then free study material for CAT, CET, CMAT and other entrance exams, as well as paid as well as free mock test series, then you can visit the homepage uotmba.in. and the links are in front of you on the home page itself. Okay, and you can visit thebestgdtopics.com for information on GD topics, VAT topics. The same information can be used for written ability test topics and GD guide as well. Okay, you can follow us on Instagram. The Instagram handle is UOT_MBA. For more information, stay connected and let me know how was the video. And also I'm going to make more videos like this where you will explore colleges which have very unique statistics. I hope you like my work. If yes, you can like and share this video as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay connected and always keep that smile up.